Spin around, let your style hit you. Baby girl, can I style with you? Hop in, skip town with you. I just want a little time with you. Shawty bad said she need love, but she never had it from a thug. Are you really ready for a thug?
Right there.
Right there.
Oh, it's right there.
Got it? You got it in your hand?
Now it's dead.
What are you doing? Put it down with you. And tell your man we'll split vows with you. Spin around, let your...
See it?
Here you go.
Where?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, right there.
I don't see it.
Right there.
Right there.
Oh, it's right there.
Got it? You got it in your hand?
Now it's dead.
What are you doing? Is it got it? Huh? You have it? Okay, hold it. You got it. Why you got to leave?
Is it moving?
It's wet.
It's wet.
Oh, it's peed on you.
Go. What the hell?
You got hit.
No, we got 3.
You hear it? What you mean you hear it? It's probably dead. Yeah, we hear it. How you squeezing the shit out of it? You squeezing the life out of it with the leaves. Hell, where you running to? You probably don't even got it, don't worry.
Probably don't. She's probably gonna open her hand and
It's gone.
it's gonna be gone.
Do you feel it?
Yes, it's wet.
Is it wet? Is it the leaf wet or is it the frog? She figured herself out over leaves. I ain't never seen it.
I got it.
Let me see the leaf. I mean, I'm seeing the leg.
Okay. You want to see the leaf?
Watch out. He in there.
This one's just chilling. Look, he has his hands propped up. He's gonna ride. He said, fuck this shit.
Don't cuss my vlog. Hello, everyone. My name is Mari, and welcome to Mari Van Vibes. Today, taking y'all along with me on this beautiful, beautiful trail. I just won't saw you from afar, I wanna vibe with you. You got time, I want time with you. On your phone, put it down with you. And tell your man we'll split vows with you. Spin around, let your style hit you. Baby girl, can I style with you? Hop in, skip town with you. I just want a little time with you. Shawty bad said she need love, but she never had it from a thug. Are you really ready for a thug? All right, you guys. The trail says it's 3 miles, and walking it's about 45 to 50 minutes. So let's get to it, you guys. Join the journey. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Turn on that notification bell so you don't miss when I drop a video. I drop a video every week. I drop a video once every week. So stay tuned. It's gonna be a lot of adventure. See you soon. My kid and Brooke decided to join me. Say hello, you guys.
Hello.
So yeah. I was just trying to know your name. It was love at first sight, but I didn't know that you had a man. Girl, you sweet like sugar cane. You get me so light when it rains. You know I like it when you scream my name. I give you back shots when you scream my name. Toxic bitch said she love pain. Asian bitch call her low man. I should've strapped for a nigga came. I forgot that she had a man. Saw you from afar, I wanna vibe with you. You got time, I want time with you. On your phone, put it down with you. And tell your man we'll split vows with you. Spin around, let your style hit you. Baby girl, can I style with you? Hop in, skip town with you. I just want a little time with you. Saw you from afar, I wanna vibe with you. You got time, I want time with you. On your phone, pull it down with you. And tell your man we'll split vows with you. Spin around, let your style hit you. Baby girl, can I style with you? Hop in, skip town with you. I just want a little time with you. Shawty bad said she need love, but she never had it from a thug. Are you really ready for it? Oh my gosh, look what I just came across. Just stumbled across this nice little area. Wow. Look at that water. It's a big fish. I know you guys heard it. Wow. This is awesome. Saw you from afar, I wanna vibe with you. You got time, I want time with you. On your phone, put it down with you. And tell your man we'll split vows with you. Spin around, let your style hit you. Baby girl, can I style with you? Hop in, skip town with you. I just want a little time with you. I saw you standing across the street. I was just trying to know your name. It was love at first sight, but I didn't know that you had a man. Girl, you sweet like sugar cane. You get me so light when it rain. You know I like it when you scream my name. Found the frog, y'all.
Don't do that, bro.
You got it in your shirt?
You gonna give it to my sister?
I am. She's gonna love it.
We put it in the drawer at home.
Found a frog, you guys.
But I saw something.
Little baby one.
I thought it was a rat.
You can hold it all the way to the thing? Wow.
You gonna be driving with it?
That's crazy to me.
What are we trying to know?
Look at this tree, you guys. It broke. It looked awesome. I was just like upside down. I think that's crazy. I'm stoked. Oh wow.
I'm not gonna do that either. Look, he's just chilling. Enjoying his ride.
So
He can't jump out.
He's gonna stick his tongue at me.
Hey, look. You're such a girl.
Baby girl, can I style with you? Hop in, skip town with you. I just want a little time with you. Shawty bad said she need love, but she never had it from a thug. Are you really ready for a thug? Are you ready to try a new thing? My life like a movie. Same shit, just a new scene. Saw you from afar, I wanna vibe with you. Phone, pull it down with you. And tell your man we'll split vows with you. Spin around, let your